What can a virtual assistant video editor do for your business? They can take the raw footage of the video that you created and they can edit it, they can optimize it and create SEO from the videos. They can make snippets of the videos. They can make thumbnails for the video. They can remove any bloopers. They can insert narration and music if you'd like, add titles and subtitles to your videos. They can put sound effects. They can add pictures, emojis. They can add intros and outros. So if you're just creating video for social media sites or for websites or for blogs, they can take the raw video that you've created and they can do so much for it depending on what you're going to use it for. So if you're going to use longer content for things like YouTube that I'm doing right now, they can also create YouTube Shorts with your video. They can put it on Google Business Profile. They can take the video and take different size snippets such as 15 seconds, 30 seconds, a minute, and they can put it onto other websites. They can put it onto other social media sites, Instagram Reels, Instagram Stories, Instagram posts. They can also put it on TikTok. The videos that you're creating, you got to make sure that you're creating horizontal recordings for certain websites and vertical for other websites is very important. The one thing that virtual assistants can do with your videos is they can save you a lot of money. So instead of you paying $75 to $150 per video, you're going to be paying much, much less. Definitely, I feel everybody needs a virtual assistant video editor. They can do everything that you can imagine to your videos.